Can I earn money through affiliate marketing? That was a question a friend asked me the other day, and I shared a trick with him. So I want to share the trick with you today also, so that you'll be able to go out there and make some money. So welcome to my channel. If you are here for the first time, my name is Taufik, and in this channel I share different strategy on how to make money online. So if you find it helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and smash the notification bell. So without wasting much of your time, let me start by showing you this. Okay, so we are going to Instagram, and if you read this guideline here, if you read this guideline which shows you can I create an Instagram account dedicated to a public figure, celebrity, brand, or organization. Okay, so if you read through, you can create an account dedicated to celebrity, public figure, brand, or organization that you are interested in to show your support. Okay, so if you read through here and come here, okay, state clearly in your account that it's a fan account and supporting or appreciating a celebrity, public figure, brand, or organization. Okay, so this shows that we can create an account with any public figure name. Okay, so this made me create an account with Katy Perry's name. Okay, so this is the account here, which is called Katy Perry Fans Club. So anyone that comes to this account and sees this name, they will surely know that this is not the real Katy Perry, but it's one of our fans. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is I want to go to your search bar and search for Katy Perry. Katy Perry. Okay, so just follow me as I'm showing you this strategy. Okay, and after this video, make sure you implement what I'm going to show you here, so that you'll be able to make some money. Okay, so this is the real account of Katy Perry, which shows that she has 111 million followers. Okay, so you want to click on the followers and start following the followers one by one. Make sure you have at least 1,000 following. Okay, make sure you have at least 1,000 following. Then after following them, then you go to your Google search bar and type in Katy Perry quotes. Okay, Katy Perry quotes. Good. So these are Katy Perry quotes here. So just scroll down and check out what they have here. So if you check out all these quotes, these are Katy Perry's quotes, which shows if you can believe in something great, then you can achieve something great, right? So all these are Katy Perry's quotes. So what I want to do is I want to use these quotes to make some money. Okay, so just follow me, I will show you how to do that. So after getting all these quotes here, then you go to canva.com. So right here on canva.com, so you want to choose this, which is our Instagram post. What we are trying to do here is this: we want to use some of these quotes here to create an Instagram post. So that's what we want to do. So after creating the post, we'll be posting them on our page so that these followers here will be engaging. So we want to try to warm them up, okay, before we try to sell anything to them. So I will show you how to sell to them, and you will see how we'll be able to see some results after trying the strategy. Okay, so that's what we want to do. We want to come here, create an Instagram post. Okay, then go back here and post it here. Okay, so that's what we want to do. So the first thing we want to do is that I've created one, which is this. So I created this, and if you want to create, let me show you how to create it if you didn't know how to create an Instagram post. So let's choose let me check out any free template here. Okay, let's choose this. Okay, then go back to the quote. Okay, I believe in a lot of astrology. Then you copy this. This is one of our quotes. Then you copy this, then go back to Canva and paste in the quote. Okay, so I believe in a lot of astrology. Then you remove this, then you can Then you can add the name of your page, okay, which is a Katy Perry fans club. You can add it at, okay, at you can add it somewhere here, okay. So when you are done, then you download it. You rename this. Let me rename this to 3. Then you download it. So wait for it to download. So let's wait for it to download, okay. After you are done with downloading this, okay, then you go back to the page. So this one trick here, let me share this with you. I'm using desktop, and if you check all this page here, so if you check out this page here, there's no button for you to post any image, right? So what you want to do is I want to right click on the page, then come to this button here, which is inspect, then come over here, okay, then hit this. So if you hit this and reload it, let's reload it. If you reload it, okay, let's hit it again and reload. So if you check this out now, this is a plus button which shows we can upload our image now, okay. Then you close this, okay. So we want to hit this button and search for the image we downloaded, okay. So this is the image, and you hit this. So this is the image here, right? So you next, then you add your location. You can, if you wish, you can tag people. Then when you are done with all those things, then you hit this, hit share. So this is the image here. So this is the image. Let's wait for it to load up. So this is the image, okay. So that's how you keep on uploading image, okay. Go to the code, copy the code, go to your Canva, then create Instagram post image, then re-upload it here. Then this one trick also, if you go to Katy Perry, let's go to our page. Let me show you this. So let me show you this. If you go to Katy Perry's fan page, which is Katy Perry, this, and check out her post, okay. If you check out all these posts, all these posts, so you see this one is more, okay, this is a video. You can upload video also if you wish. Just download it and re-upload it on your own page, okay. So you can download the most engaging picture here, just all this image here, download this 1.7, okay. You can download this and re-upload it on your own page, okay. So with that also, people will be engaging, okay. So when you are done with creating your Instagram and you've got some engagement and people are engaging and you are posting, people are engaging, so it's now time for you to monetize the page, okay. So this is how you're going to monetize it. Just follow me so that I'll be able to show you how to monetize it. So the first thing you want to do is I want to go to a website called Teespring. So this is a website here. So Teespring is a platform, let me call it platform, that you come and design, then you, after designing, then you sell to make some profit, okay. So we are here to design some t-shirts or any wears, okay. So we want to design, want to hit on this start designing. So this is the interface here. So after getting here, I already has a store with them, so you create your store and start designing, okay. So what you want to do is I want to design, maybe let's say you can design joker, funny packs, face masks, anything you wish to. You can design wears or anything, okay. So after design, you can design it in the name of the celebrity, okay. So you can use the name of the celebrity, or the you can use the quote, the celebrity quote. You can use any name, okay, of the celebrity, okay, to design, so that the fan will be able to buy your designs, okay. So let's choose this and design. Let me show you how to design here. Let me show you how to design. And you can choose let's say, okay, you can choose, let's choose this. Okay, so this is the interface. Okay, so you can add a text. So let's add a text. Let me show you how to add a text. So we want to add one of the quotes of Katy Perry. Okay, so let's choose let me just let's reuse this. Okay, I believe, you can copy this. I believe in a lot of astrology, right? Then go back to Teespring and type in I believe in a lot of astrology. Okay, I believe in a lot of astrology. Okay, I believe in a lot of astrology. Okay, I'll bring this down here. Okay, come over here, then you expand. Okay, yes. Okay, let's expand this, or you can even leave it this way. Okay, I believe in it. Let's preview it and see how let's see. So this is the design. Okay, so after you are done with the design, okay, you want to come over here and click on this continue. So this is the price here. So you are going to be selling this at $30.99, and this is your own profit. Okay, so at Teespring, so Teespring will be the platform for you to be selling all these designs here. So all you have to do is just go out there and promote your link. Okay, and after promoting, anyone that buys this at $30.99, you'll be able to make your own commission of $11.34 profit. Okay, so you don't have anything to lose. You are not spending any money. Okay, all you have to do is just to come over here and design. And when you are done with the design, then you click on this continue, then you type in the, let me choose this, then the description, you can name it Curtis quotes. Okay, quotes. Okay, and you scroll down, then you hit on this publish listing. Okay, so you click on this setting here for you to set your payment or payment method. Okay, so you fill up all this form here, you fill up all these blocks here, you enter your PayPal here, you enter your PayPal email address, then you set your PayPal email address, then you are done with this, then you copy your link. Okay, Teespring will give you a link for you to promote. So when you are done with the design creation, you copy your link, then go to your page. Okay, go to your page and post it somewhere here. Let's wait for this to load up so that I'll be able to show you where to post your link. So you post your link somewhere here, but we are not done with the link. Okay, so you have to create more stream of income. Okay, you have to create more streams of making money with this page. Okay, so that's one, by making money through Teespring. So the other one is going to Google, okay, and type in best event affiliate program. Okay, if you type in best event affiliate program, then you scroll down and check out the top event affiliate program here, then you sign up with them. Let me show you this, just stick with me. So these are the top event program here, affiliate program. So if you scroll down and check out all the events, you have a ticket network purchase, ticket liquidator, and if you check out, sorry, my network is somehow slow. Okay, just bear with me. So if you check out this ticket network here, this is their page. Okay, and this is the link to the page. So if you check out their commission, they pay 10% commission, and their cookie is 40 days cookie. Okay. And okay, and if you check this out, they have a average order of value of 350, and just imagine you getting 10% of this $350 commission. So that's huge. Okay. If you check the next one, they have a 9% commission. So all you have to do is just to sign up with this affiliate programs, then copy their links and go to Linktree. Okay. So when you get to Linktree, you sign up and hit on this get started for free, because they have a free plan. So you wait for it to load up. So this is the link I created. Okay, so you click on this add new link, then you add your link, then your the title, then the other link, the title. So what you want to do is that you add your Teespring link here, then your affiliate link for event ticket, then you add it here. Okay, so that's two. Okay, so when you are done with adding the two and the title, you can add it as get your next event ticket. Then the other one, you can add it as get your wares here, which is this is for Teespring, while this is for the event ticket, right? Then you copy this link here, which is this, then you copy it. When you copy this, then you go back to your page, and you go back to this page. This is the link here. You go back to the page and hit this, and go over to settings, then you paste the link here. Then when you are done, then you click on this submit. Okay, so that's how you're gonna monetize the page. Okay, and with this strategy, you'll be able to make tons of money if you implement it and be consistent. Okay, so just keep posting and keep warming them up. Okay, be posting and posting and posting and be warming warming the followers up. So I think that's all for now. Okay, if you find it helpful, as usual, kindly give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.